So I just got home from Phoenix, man, and this morning I took a second to get out in the yard, smell the flowers, and I got this feeling, man, that I just can't shake, man. I've had it, but being in Phoenix really supercharged it, but y'all probably feel it too, man. It's like an awakening, a renaissance. I know you guys have heard of me talk about the new American manufacturing renaissance and the Rust Belt revival, and we think that this is just limited to the big cities or the people that have been left out of the picture. But I'm here to tell you that this thing is bigger than that. This thing is not about wokeness or whiteness. This thing isn't about sex or race. This thing isn't about age. This thing is about a community that's coming together that says it's time to do things differently. It's time for change. It's time for a new invigoration, and it's happening all over. And it's so exciting to be a part of it, and it's exciting to see. I'm seeing, people of all colors and creeds and ages and races coming into this field, whether that's a mass exodus from other fields and finding ours and bringing their new perspectives and energy and light into our field. And we can see it from the new content that's coming out, the new softwares that are coming out, even some of these dope new machines that are coming every single day, to the people that are energized all across the United States to get out here, put one foot in front of the other, and show people about our career, help people get into our careers, whether that's financially or anything like that, to the cities that are, now with automation able to compete, able to get people into the field, able to, make money and rebuild their cities, or just really position themselves as a hub for manufacturing like we're doing in Nebraska on May 10th. This is about single parents, finding an industry that can finally pay them enough to pay their bills and pay a living wage, and then automation coming in and giving them time for their family on the nights and the weekends. It's amazing to be a part of it. It's amazing that we'll be able to, sow into America in these ways again. And I want y'all to join, man. I want you from wherever you are to do what you can. Whether that means making a post, whether that means putting your foot in front of the other, whether that means visiting one of the tour stops, Nebraska, we're coming. Whether that means being like the young guys in Nebraska at CED in Columbus that said, hey, we have a small town, but we've got a lot of opportunity here, and we want to bring solutions and help people figure out how to automate. What's the best way to automate? How to get people in front of these machines. So we're pulling our resources. We're bringing them together. We're reaching out digitally and bringing experts to where we are. We're bringing it to you. We're bringing the trade to the people, and it feels good. I'm talking foster kids that are now finding our career, and they're saying, I've got a solid foundation if I age out. I'm not alone. I've got something where I can pay my bills. I can go to school. I can make a decent living. And, the very fabric of America is changing because of this renaissance, and it's changing for the better. The older, seasoned veterans, the legends in our industry, having platforms and being more active and vocal, and they're coming out and they're giving their knowledge that we've needed for a long time. They're sharing it with all of us. They're giving us their knowledge, and then the young people are building our platforms, and we're saying, yo, thank you for this knowledge, and we're applying our energy and our zest to it, and we're putting these two things together. In American manufacturing is coming back, but it's also rebuilding America, and we're coming back together. And what a time to be alive. So if you have to leave with anything, leave with this quote from my man, Rick Kline, when he got his award. This comes from the founder of Gardner Business Media, his grandfather, but it still rings true today. Check it out.
Conditions change, the world progresses, and those who are found keeping pace with the new order of things are those who are young enough in mind and spirit to recognize the value of the new and to make themselves part of it.